Get ready to discover the latest and most rewarding typing opportunities of 2024. Imagine earning $200 in just 3 hours of typing, all without needing any extraordinary skills, just your trusty device and a love for typing. Whether you're an experienced typist or someone searching for a flexible online gig, this method is designed with you in mind. Picture the excitement of seeing $200 in your pocket after just a few hours of typing away. Stay with us as we walk you through the steps of capitalizing on these cutting-edge 2024 typing jobs. Let's plunge into the realm of lucrative online typing tasks together.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
To start making money with this awesome opportunity, your first step is to head over to OpenAI.com. The good news? It won't cost you a penny to check it out. Once you're there, kick things off by logging into their AI tool called ChatGPT. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT, let me give you a quick rundown. It's a super smart AI designed to answer your questions and do all sorts of tasks. For example, you can ask it to write a short blog post about the benefits of artificial intelligence, and it'll whip up a great post just for you. No need to type it all out yourself. You can simply copy and paste the content, and then make money using the 3 platforms I'm about to tell you about. But ChatGPT isn't just for writing blog posts. You can ask it about pretty much anything. Whether you want to know the most popular names in the US or you need info on specific topics, ChatGPT has you covered with detailed answers. It can give you the top names for boys, girls, and more. This wide-ranging ability opens up lots of opportunities for making money in a unique way. Now, let's get to the exciting part, how you can use this platform to boost your income. With ChatGPT's help, you can turn its content into cash. There are so many possibilities, from creating blog posts and articles to providing valuable information on all kinds of subjects. And then I'm about to reveal 3 platforms where you can showcase your work and start earning. Now, let's head over to the starting point of our money-making journey. While it might not offer the biggest payouts, it's a great place to begin. This platform is called Talent Desire. When you visit Talent Desire, you'll discover a wide range of job opportunities listed. These jobs offer chances to earn anywhere from $1,500 per month to a potential daily income of $75 to $225. You'll find freelance blogging, language translation, proofreading, content writing, and various typing jobs available, many of which can be streamlined with the help of artificial intelligence, just like we've seen with ChatGPT. What's really great about Talent Desire is its flexibility. You can handle multiple jobs at once while ChatGPT assists you with the workload. For example, if you're a freelance blogger on this platform, beginners can make $25 per blog, while experts can earn $75. The requirements for these jobs are minimal. All you need is a computer with fast internet, basic internet, and English skills. And you just need to be 16 or older with no registration fee required. To begin your journey with Talent Desire, simply locate the Apply Now button located at the bottom of the website and click on it. This will take you to the application process. Scroll down until you see the Select an Application Form link. Click on it, and then choose the Online Application Form option. Next, fill in all the required fields, including your first and last name, email address, contact number, country, and zip code. When selecting your preferred job title, indicate that you're a freelance blogger. Opt for all day as your availability to maximize your earning potential, and select PayPal as your preferred payment method. Complete the form by agreeing to the privacy policy, providing your signature, and verifying the CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot. Finally, click the Submit button in red to send off your application. Once submitted, wait for Talent Desire to reach out to you with assigned tasks. Don't forget to make use of ChatGPT to streamline your workload. Now, let's move on to an even more profitable platform, which I'll introduce in the next step.
Wait a minute. Have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Let's explore an exciting opportunity called Remotasks. This platform stands out by offering individuals a significant weekly income of $600 for the crucial task of training AI chatbots. The process is refreshingly straightforward. Your main duty is to type responses that help train these AI chatbots. The questions cover various topics, from your favorite coffee to your travel preferences and more. Each response you provide contributes to improving the chatbot's conversational skills. The simplicity of the tasks makes them accessible to anyone, and in return, Remo Tasks compensates you generously, paying between $15 to $20 per hour, depending on your skill level and consistency. What makes Remo Tasks unique is its flexibility. You can choose your own working hours, allowing you to seamlessly fit this income-generating activity into your schedule. This platform is perfect for those looking to make money quickly, especially through short writing and evaluation tasks that require minimal effort. Now, let's move on to our final destination, the impressive platform known as FreeCash. What distinguishes FreeCash is its extensive range of diverse offers, mainly consisting of straightforward surveys seeking your valuable opinions. The simplicity of these surveys is a highlight. They aim to collect insights on various topics, and you have the flexibility to either utilize ChatGPT for opinions that you can easily copy and paste, or share your own perspectives, earning compensation for each completed survey. FreeCash provides a plethora of survey opportunities, each offering different payouts. Some surveys may reward you with $5, while others come with a more generous $10. Even shorter surveys, lasting just 1 to 2 minutes, can earn you around 50 cents. This variety in survey lengths ensures that you can choose assignments that fit your schedule and preferences, providing numerous opportunities to accumulate earnings swiftly. As you scroll through the FreeCash platform, you'll find a wealth of surveys constantly generating and populating, offering a continuous stream of potential earnings. If you happen to exhaust the available surveys, a simple page refresh replenishes your options, enabling you to consistently engage in survey activities. When it's time to cash out your well-earned rewards, FreeCash provides several convenient options. You can start the cash-out process with the click of a button. The available payment methods include popular choices like PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and various others, ensuring you can choose the method that seamlessly aligns with your preferences.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.